flat, mama, or does it go to your chain?
What? Oh shit, the frame rate's fucked up.
Is it flat, mama, does it go to your chain? No.
Dude, it says the frame rate is... Dude, it says...
I'm gonna let you down.
It says the frame rate's too high.
Beep, beep. I'm sure, okay, I'm not gonna do that. Dude, I didn't know you could buy that. I just bought something for 2G. Right click to set out a bowl of the 10 crisp Galarn apples. 30-minute cool. Pretty good.
Oh fuck, I think it's working better now.
It's definitely good.
I have no idea. Really, I don't. The sound keeps lagging whenever I record though, like... I'll go to record and then I'll play it back on Windows Movie Maker just to see what's happening, and the sound will come like a minute after I actually did it.
Weird.
Yeah, I have no idea what's happening. It's messing up. Lag, 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 lag. Aw yeah, bitch, I'm on RuneScape. You click to move where you wanna move. Aw shit, I'm gonna cut a tree. Cool sound. Fuck it, I'm stopping recording. The sound keeps lagging. Shit.
It keeps lagging shit?
Yeah, lagging shit. Sucking.
I'm lagging shit. Are you?
Well, my sound is lagging shit. The games aren't lagging shit. Like I said, what happens? I record and everything is fine. Then I go to watch it again, and the sound will be like a minute after. Which, I mean,
that sucks cock douche.
It does suck cock douche or whatever, and it does that on World of Warcraft too.
Oh, that sucks cock.
So I need to get this fixed, dude. Today or tomorrow, we should all get on our Taran and go PvP. I'll record it all, dude, and it'll be awesome.
General's gonna get the flag every time.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be awesome.
I eat penis.
That's great to know.
Really?
I just recorded
You
that.
do?
Oh, so you're gonna put that on your account too?
Desert Shang Hill, Desert Water.
I don't know, that'll be funny.
I'm gearing up
Do
a
your
whole wrestling
thing,
set right now.
Halo. Yeah.
What happened to the flow?
Where do the chains hang from?
Joking, I'm joking.
Fuck it, stop recording. Alright, I'm recording again. See if this. Fuck off. Fuck. Alright, I'm recording again. The sound needs to work. Deadly, you still in 25 ICC?
Yeah, we're on Faction Champ.
Yes, sir.
What's your pally's gear score?
I think we've gone over this, like,
2,700?
I'm just wondering, but it seems like every night
Exactly.
we talk about it.
If it's your bro or someone else.
My gear score is too crappy to ever do ICC.
Nerd. Nerd.
Nerd rage.
Stopping recording. Fuck! I think I finally stopped the sound lag. What file?